What's up? Fresh MetaTrader rundown dropping here. I'll walk through how to unlock the full platform with every chart, indicator, and expert advisor on. Your everyday workflow starts in just a few moments. Snag the install bundle from our portal, run it, and the trading core writes itself onto your local drive. The market data feed and the strategy templates come with it. The whole pass wraps in seconds flat. Once the trading core is on your system, the config screen hooks up the depth of market, the alert system, and the chart templates. The whole setup runs in seconds, zero fuss, everything handled along the way. Looking at the chart, candles, indicators, and the order ticket are all live and responsive. The platform is humming along nicely, and your next move can start at any moment today. Let's roll. Setup is complete and the platform is live. Jump over to our download page to grab the package and start trading with your new setup. All libraries and feeds are included with the download bundle today.